Hey everybody, it's Brian from Red Dirt Pickers. How are you? I had a few decent sales this week and wanted to show you guys, so let's check out some what sold. Alright, so this first item here, something I've been finding a lot of lately. It's a vintage Wagner cast iron skillet. It's a 9-inch chef skillet. I paid $3 for this at Goodwill, and I sold it for $58.50 plus $8.50 shipping. Those skillets are great if you can find them. Actually, anything Wagner. They have the Dutch ovens as well, which those I've seen those sell upwards of $300. But yeah, if you guys don't have the vintage Wagner cast iron on your list of bolos, that would be a great thing to look out for. Especially this time of year, people are starting to get ready to amp up their camping gear. Alright, this next item here is a pair of Columbia hiking boots. I paid $3 for these at my local bins here in Oklahoma City, and I sold them for $48.50 plus shipping. This next item is a vintage Nordicware cast aluminum Wildflower cake pan. I've sold these quite often. Most of the ones I sell are the bunt pans, but this is just a regular cake pan. I paid $3 for this at Goodwill and sold it for $23.50 plus $11.50 shipping. This next item was a little bit of retail arbitrage. It's a pair of Adidas top 10 high top shoes. Paid $19.99 for these at Burlington Coat Factory and sold them for $64.99 plus $11.50 shipping. And this next item here is a pair of Vans, old school Vans. This is the Star Wars series, off the wall, may the force be with you Vans, size 11.5. Again, I paid $3 for these at my local bins, and I sold them for $35 plus $11.50 shipping. Actually, sorry, $10.50 shipping. It's a great little sale here. I always try to pick these up if I find them. It's a classic Buzz Lightyear. It's the first edition Buzz Lightyear, and has all the sound and movements with the shield. Most of the time when I do find them, the shield is not intact. It has the back plastic, but it doesn't have the front. But this one actually had the front plastic, so I paid 99 cents for it at my Goodwill. Sold it for $14 plus $9.50 shipping. All right, this next item is a pair of women's running shoes. It's Asics GT 2000, neon colors of size 12 women's, and purchased these for $3 at the Goodwill bins. Sold them for $27.50 plus $10 shipping. All right, this next pair of shoes, I did not get these at the bins. I got them at a regular Goodwill. I paid almost $6 for these. It's a pair of New Balance 990 V4s, size 9.5 men's. I find the gray suede ones a lot, but this is a pair of tan suede. Decent condition. Sold them for $55 plus $9.50 shipping. This next item is a cool little item. It's a Vibram stabilizers. These are the little strap-on ice cleats that you put on the bottom of your shoes. I paid 50 cents for these at the Goodwill bins, and I sold them for $28 plus $8 shipping. And this next item is it's called 6-Pack Fitness. It's a meal carrying case. It's the Innovator 500 meal bag. You can put 5 meals in this. It's for meal prep. And paid $3.99 for this at Salvation Army, and sold it for $54.50 plus $9.50 shipping. These are great if you can find them. These meal bags, they sell like hotcakes. I listed 2 of them. I sold this one within the first 24 hours, and the next one, the second one, has, I believe, 6 or 7 viewers on it. So something to keep a lookout for is the 6-Pack Fitness brand bags. All right, this next pair of shoes I also got at the bins. It's a pair of Doc Martens. These are a size 6 women's, the Windsor Joyce wingtip. It's a lace-up Oxford women's shoe. So $3. Actually, it's a women's size 6, but it's classified under a children's size. So I paid less than $2 for these, and I sold them for $60 plus $10.50 shipping. All right, this next item here is a pair of Bookends I found. the Lord of the Rings Argonath sculpture bookends. I paid $1.91 each for these, but I sold them as a pair, so $4 total, and sold them for $65 plus $12.50 shipping. And let's see, a couple more items here. A pair of Rose's Kids adjustable ski boots. These are great. I found these for 10 bucks at Goodwill, the one down the street from me. Sold them for $60 plus $14.50 shipping. Those were sold through the global shipping program. And this next item is a pair of insulated coveralls. It's a brand called Workrite. They have an arc rating of 54.7, so they're flame resistant. And I paid $8 for these at Goodwill and sold them for $85 plus $14.50 shipping. You guys can see there the insulated coveralls. It's a great find. If you guys can find those anywhere, they always have a great sell-through rate for me. All right, this next item here is a Saddleman motorcycle bag. It's a strap-on bag that goes either onto a seat on the back of your motorcycle or a metal bracket behind the seat. This was in really good condition. I found this at Salvation Army, paid $5 for it, and sold it for $75 plus $19.50 shipping. A couple more items here. This item's Adidas Adizero speed suit. It's a full body speed suit, compression track running suit. Paid $6 for this. $4 for this at Goodwill, and sold it for $38 plus free shipping. All right, so this last item here, it is a cool vintage book. It is Packard, A History of the Motor Car and the Company. It's a really cool black and white book from the 60s. It was a first edition. It had a signed certificate on the inside of it. Really neat book. I paid $3 for this at Goodwill and sold it for $110 plus $6 shipping. All right, that's it. Those are a few of my sales here from last week or so. Appreciate you guys checking it out. If you could, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.